Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a full face of nothing new. I've wanted to do this video for a while and shoot, I forget the person's name that I think originally created this video. Allie Glines, I believe, is the first person to have done this type of video, and I've slowly but surely become obsessed with her. Her and I have very similar tastes when it comes to makeup. I really need some lip balm. We have very similar tastes and we're pretty similar in shade tones. So I mean, I just used some of this Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. It's not my absolute favorite, but I seem to use it a lot. My bed is made for the first time in I don't know how long. So I don't ramble on so long, let's just jump right in. I'm gonna first start off with primer, and I'm using two. I'm first going in with the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I want to say this was 2018, or this was one of my favorite products, and I used it so much. I don't use it as often, but I did take it last time I traveled. It just gives your face a nice glow for under your foundation. Just thinking about that reminded me when I was obsessed with the Cover FX drops underneath my foundation. I need to fill in these pores, just smooth out my skin using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. It's almost like the Tatcha. It is a lot like the Tatcha, actually. This is hopefully is in my next makeup empties. Let me know if you guys want me to do something along the lines of Project Pan. I know a few other people that I watch, they choose a few products that they want to use up during the year. Foundation, we're mixing two. This was a 2018 favorite. This I've used before. Maybelline Superstay L'Oreal True Match. I feel like this might be expired, but I'm just gonna mix the two. Superstay, I'm in the shade 110 Porcelain, and in the L'Oreal True Match, I'm in the shade W2. I'm using the Real Techniques sponge, one of my favorite makeup sponges. If you guys already have me added on TikTok, then you would have already seen the look that we are creating today, because it's one of those TikTok challenges. Even though I want to kind of create my own, combining two different challenges that I've seen on both YouTube and TikTok. Revisiting back to this foundation, I just wish it had a little more coverage than it actually does. But we're gonna let it dry and then go into with a second layer. And I mean, we are combining two foundations, but I just remember these are light to medium coverage foundations. Actually, they're medium build, light to medium buildable. Layer number two, just in areas where I feel like I could use a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, because we are going to add some concealer coverage. Second layer really helped this whole situation. Concealer, probably my all-time favorite concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. This was the only concealer that was not so touch a nude concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair. But before this creases, because this concealer does crease on me, going in with Coty Airspun, my 2018 favorite powder. I'm finding I prefer a more finer milled powder. This just has a little more granules in it. Still a good powder. I'm just finding that after revisiting it, I prefer a finer milled powder. I have so many bronzers and blushes, but I'm not entirely sure which one I want to use at the moment. So I'm going to do the eyes and then we'll come back to the face. Brow, I have two different brow products. I keep going back to this. I have two backups of it. It's $2. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I get mine in the shade Taupe, and then I haven't used this brow pomade in a while, and I'm finding that I like brow pomades a lot better than brow pencils. I use brow pencils every now and then with the pomade, but just like how my brows turn out better with the brow pomade, and so I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio one. I'm gonna fill in my brows off camera so we're not sitting here for hours and hours, and then I'll come back and we'll do the eyes. Brows are on, lids are primed. I just used the JCat Beauty All About That Base eyeshadow primer, the nude one, and then set it down with the Coty Airspun loose face powder. And now we're ready to go into the eyes, and we're actually doing a TikTok makeup challenge. I've already pre-generated the numbers. It's where you get 4 numbers. You have one for the crease, one for the lid, one for the lower lash line, and one for the inner corner. It's gonna be an interesting look, to say the least. First number that I generated this round was number 8, and we are using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, the original. The first number that I chose was number 8, which is the shade Creamsicle, and that's our crease shade. I'm gonna first go in with a giant fluffy brush to really like diffuse the color, and then I'll go in with a smaller brush to intensely add it to my crease. But I just want like a light brush of shadow. That's what kind of like re-inspired me to get back into makeup, because for a while there I was like, girl, no. I was like, I don't want to do anything, and I'm still like that some days. But I'm now gonna take a different crease brush, a smaller one, and just start packing that into the crease so we can kind of get like a deeper orangish yellow onto the second number, which is the lid. It's gonna be an interesting one. It's shade number 17, which is called Hilster. I'm like the worst person when it comes to describing anything. I'm gonna like get my brush a little bit damp. I didn't pick out a spray, but I have a few by me. So right now I just dampened my brush with the Ofra makeup fixer, heating that up and applying it to our lid. Is it gonna be a different look? Hell yes. I should have cut the crease. This is cheating a little bit, but I just need something. I'm gonna take the shade next to it called Roxanne. I'm just gonna blend that in. Now going back in to Creamsicle. You know how people stay up till like 3 a.m. To me, for that time is like 6, 7 o'clock. That's only because my parents will be asleep in like an hour. So. And I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the first number generator that I did for this palette. Sometimes it's like shades that just don't go well together, and so I'm just like, we're gonna cheat the system a little bit. Is it completely blended how I want it? No. What's it gonna do? Yeah. The third number for this look, challenge, whatever you want to call it, is lower lash line. I'm gonna take a really random brush for my lower lash line, and that's number 32, which is the shade Enchanted in the palette, which is like that deep forest green. Who am I? Now for our inner corner, we are going into 30, which is Jada. This is where it all gets interesting, because I feel like I need to pop. Yeah, I'm going into the shade next to it. Again, we're cheating. Pool Party. Pool Party. I just need that little pop. I'm gonna go into Beam on the inner corner. I need this to pop, not be so dark. Is this exactly how the makeup challenge is supposed to go? No. Is it what I needed? Yeah. Mascara, Hard Candy Bold. I'm gonna do, depending on how this one coat looks, either one coat and a lash or 2 coats. And from how it's going right now, I think the move is one coat and a lash, but I'll add lashes at the very end. Oh my gosh, so much better with mascara. Bronzer. We're gonna first go in with Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil to bronze up. It's just a little too warm, so I'm gonna go in just a little bit of Sunset Ship Tease. Make this not so orange, but then also use it to contour. I have a lot of drugstore products in today's video because I realized that I don't really use a whole lot. And we're gonna go in and bake a little bit. Yes. So bake and blend it into the skin. I'm using Essence Satin Touch Satin Coral Blush. I think this was a favorite of 2018 as well. Highlight, the Balm's Mary Luminizer. Always, but this was like, it was a favorite from one year. Setting it with the Ofra setting spray, but I have mine in a travel spray bottle. My camera battery is just about to die, and that's kind of like why I'm going a little bit faster. I'm gonna just lightly go over everything with my sponge. Lining with OG NYX Peekaboo Neutral and an OG product, Tarte Rosé. I'm gonna go do my hair really fast and then I'll come back to finish and wrap all this up. So this is the final look that I came up with. We curled the hair. I added a little more highlight. Oh, and I also added lashes. And really the lashes is what brought it all together, or else it just kind of looks like it's 7:30 o'clock at night. I have nothing to do. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. You can, if you have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media. All under SassMaddieYT, same as spelled here. Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Am I gonna regret saying that? Maybe. If you guys have any other like makeup challenges or things like this that you want me to do, let me know. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.